tomorrow I will start OOPS concept. Okay. And is there any questions on our previous topics? Like whatever we discussed in all these things, any questions?
Ma'am, actually, I was thinking to ask you, like whatever you taught in the class, like I was just watching your video and inputting it.
Mm.
But then, is it possible for you to suggest something like to practice on those topics? If it's a small program or something related to, if you have taught us arrays, something related to arrays, if it's a program or something, if I try doing it, I will know if I'm able to do.
Okay. Then
So,
I will do one thing.
yeah.
If the people who are having time and all, you people try. I'm not forcing all of you to do
Okay.
practice, but any one of you are okay. If you are having enough time to practice, means you try to practice. Means I'm not insisting everyone should finish. And I think last time I gave one program, right?
Yeah.
Anyone finished that?
Yes, ma'am, I have emailed you.
Ah, yes, yes. You emailed. I had fixed that one. Okay. Let me write some program like using ternary operator. I want using if statement anyone can do, but the same thing. I want to read five numbers and I want to show the biggest number using ternary operator and read, write a program, print the current month name, current month name. Okay. How you will identify means one concept I explained, but not specifically to that. Means how to get today's date already I showed. From that, I want the current month name I want. So if the current month name related anything is not there, then how to fetch you try. So use date time. Datetime dot now is going to fetch the current date and the time both. Now in that I want month name. Suppose this is January, so I want January month name I want. So how to fetch? You please try it out. If that datetime dot now is not having month name, month number I will get. If month name is not there, use switch statement, and finish that work. So first you try in this now. Is there any month name related any property is there? You try to search. I'm not going to tell whether if it is there or not. I know, but I'm not going to tell. You people search each and every thing available in that datetime dot now dot, then list of properties and methods you will get. Is there anything I will get or not? You try to search. If not, at least month number you will get definitely. Based on that month number, how to get the month name, you try to identify and read n numbers and print the given number is how many times in that array using single dimensional array. I want to read n numbers and print the given number is how many times in the array. And again, I'm saying don't Google it also. Means if you type the same thing in Google, you will get lot of solutions. If it is the case, then don't practice also. Try by yourself only. Okay? Till now, whatever concepts you learned, all those concepts, how much you can, that you can easily understand. And write a program, read, read two numbers and print the sum if both are positive, positive numbers. I want to read two numbers. If both are positive numbers, then only I want to display sum. How you are going to do that work? This is very simple. That's why I'm not saying which one you have to use. Okay, and write a program, read. Okay. I want to display the output like this. Enter any two numbers. It should ask like that. And I'm going to enter any two numbers. I'm going to enter two numbers. Then immediately one menu should display like this. One menu should display like this. One menu should display like this. One for addition, two for subtraction, three for multiplication, four for division. And it should ask the question, enter your choice. Enter your choice. If I give my choice value as 1, it should show addition equal to the two numbers addition. Okay. So I'm not going to give the program, but my output should be like this. It should ask enter any two numbers. When I gave these two numbers, any two numbers, immediately all this menu should display. All this menu should display. And it should ask enter your choice. If your choice is 1, then it should display addition. Or if your choice is 5, it should show invalid choice. If your choice is 1, very good. If you enter your choice, if your choice is 5, then it should show invalid choice. So which one you want to use, you think. Whether you want to use if, switch, or whatever you want, you think. I said in some areas we have to use switch, in some areas we have to use if, right? You people try to think by yourself and you do. And I will mail these. I will send all these things to your mail ID along with methods notes also. And once try all these things, if any one of you are finished, then copy that program in MS Word or Notepad or somewhere. Send that Notepad. Okay. So otherwise, directly send that CS file. I mean, in your project, CS files are there, right? These CS files, you try to send it to me. Anything is okay. Okay. In this, any questions from anyone?
While sending the file, do we have to access it from documents folder, ma'am?
Either if you want, open any program, this program, copy the whole thing and paste it in Notepad and send. Or else
Yeah,
you can
understood.
you can send this file directly, but don't send the whole solution.
Yeah, I mean, can you show us how to, in case if it's required in the future, how do we send the file?
The whole project.
The .cs or the project file?
Dot
How?
yes, directly you can do. Suppose I think it's opened in my. If I'm going to add this, So here, uh, in attachments, you people have to select, suppose my projects are in desktop. Suppose I am selecting some other project, all projects, our project only I will control right click, open in File Explorer in this. Suppose now I want to send this file. Select that file and click on open. That's it. So whatever CS files you want to send it to me, then select that CS file and open. That file is going to be attached. You have to send like this. This will be very easy for us. Otherwise, if you want to send the whole solution, sometimes your Gmail won't allow you. Some XML or anything is there, then Gmail won't allow you. In that case, otherwise you have to zip all those things, or you have to rar all those things. I mean, you have to group all those things you have to send. Instead of that, this is the easiest way to send any assignment. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So try to do all these programs, and tomorrow our session will be 7 to 8. Okay. And OOPS concept I will start tomorrow session. Okay. So, okay then. Bye. I love you. Thank you. This assignment part and notes both I will send now. Okay. So, okay then. Bye. I love you.